Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, daydreaming about your dream life. It's a life filled with success, happiness, and everything you've ever wanted. You've heard about this magical thing called manifestation, but you're not quite sure how it works. Is it all just a bunch of hocus pocus, or something that you can actually use to transform your life? Well, my friend, you're in for a treat because we're about to embark on a journey to discover how you can start manifesting your desires today. To kick things off, let's talk about the incredible power of your thoughts. You see, everything in your life begins as a thought. Whether it's that cup of coffee you're sipping right now, or the career you've always dreamed of, it all started in your mind. The same goes for your desires. They're like little seeds waiting to be planted in the fertile soil of your consciousness. Think of your mind as a garden. If you plant positive and nurturing thoughts, your desires will grow into beautiful flowers. But if you let negativity and doubt creep in, well, you'll end up with a garden full of weeds. Now that you understand the power of your thoughts, it's time to set your intentions. What exactly do you want to manifest? It could be a new job, a loving relationship, or even that dream vacation to Bora Bora. The key here is to be crystal clear about your desires. Think about them in vivid detail. Imagine how they'll make you feel. The more specific you can be, the better. Let's say your desire is to land your dream job. Instead of just saying, "I want a great job," try something like, "I'm working as a successful manager at Dream Company, making a meaningful impact on the world." One of the most fun and powerful tools in your manifesting toolkit is visualization. This is where you get to play the role of your own movie director. Close your eyes and picture yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions, smell the scents, and hear the sounds of your desired reality. Imagine waking up in your dream home, sipping your morning coffee on the porch, and feeling an overwhelming sense of contentment. Visualize yourself walking into your dream job, greeted by supportive colleagues and challenging, exciting projects. When you make your visualizations as real as possible, you send a clear message to the universe about what you want. Belief is like the glue that holds your manifestations together. You can set intentions and visualize all day long, but if you don't believe that your desires are possible, you're shooting yourself in the foot. Think about it this way. If you're baking a cake, you need to believe that the cake will turn out delicious for it to actually happen. The same principle applies to manifesting. You must believe that your desires are not only possible, but inevitable. Now, here's a little secret that many manifesting gurus might not tell you. Manifestation is not a one-way street. It's not just about sitting back, wishing and hoping that your desires will magically drop into your lap. No, my friend, you've got to take inspired action. Inspired action is all about taking steps that align with your desires. If you're manifesting that dream job, start networking, update your resume, and apply for positions. The universe loves a good co-creator, and when it sees you taking action, it'll step in to help you out. Gratitude is like the secret sauce that makes manifestation taste even better. It's simple. Be thankful for what you have right now. When you express gratitude for your current blessings, you send a powerful message to the universe that says, "I appreciate what I have, and I'm ready for more." Start a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. It could be the sunshine, a kind word from a friend, or a delicious meal. The more you practice gratitude, the more good things will flow into your life. Patience, my dear friend. This is where many people stumble on their manifesting journey. Remember that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are your manifestations. The universe has its own timeline, and it knows when the perfect moment is to deliver your desires. While you're waiting, keep your faith strong, stay positive, and continue taking inspired action. Your manifestations are on their way, and when they arrive, they'll be worth the wait. As you dive into the world of manifestation, remember to trust the process. It's a bit like planting a seed and watching it grow. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that it will sprout. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. doubt and impatience are like weeds in your garden. Whenever they pop up, pluck them out and replace them with trust and faith. Congratulations, you've just embarked on a life-changing journey. You now have the knowledge and tools to start manifesting your desires today. Remember, this isn't some mystical hocus-pocus. It's a powerful process that's accessible to everyone. So go ahead, dream big, set clear intentions, visualize your desires. Believe in yourself. Take inspired action. Express gratitude. Be patient. Trust the process. And watch as your dreams begin to manifest into your reality. Our journey concludes here for now. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on personal growth and development. Thank you for spending this time with me, and dive deeper into mindful living by watching our previous video on what is subconscious mind? How does it influence our success?